the great motor races begins in 5 lights time, and the Monaco Grand Prix is underway. This is Charles Leclerc. Charles Leclerc wins the Monaco Grand Prix to achieve his dream.